Today, I will discuss the wonderful uses of this incredible fruit and demonstrate how to prepare it. It is versatile and practical, in addition to being eco-friendly and healthy. Plus, it can be free if you can find it or if you have a tree. This fruit originates from Balkan Peninsula and can live up to 300 years. It is important to note that horse chestnut contains a toxic substance called Aesculus, which can be fatal if consumed raw. Only certain animals such as deer and boars can safely eat it. Horse chestnut is a tree that produces a compound that can help reduce water retention and swelling in the legs, as well as alleviate issues like varicose veins, hemorrhoids, and chronic venous insufficiency. It can even assist with leg ulcers. You can use the liquid made from the horse chestnut to wash your hair. I typically add various oils based on the intended use. When I prepare it, I usually make a larger batch to divide for different purposes. For shampoo, I incorporate panthenol and hair oil, eliminating the need for a conditioner. I massage it thoroughly and rinse briefly with water at the end. For detergent, I add oils such as lavender, vanilla, and orange. When making body liquid soap, I enjoy a combination of mint and orange, which really helps soothe my tired legs. Currently, I live in Spain, where I can't find horse chestnut nearby, but I have it in a garden back in Serbia. My mother collected it for me, so it had to wait a few months for my return. If you have raw nuts, the preparation process is much simpler and quicker, as the skin is softer and easier to cut. In this video, I'll be using older chestnuts, which makes the process a bit more challenging. For 1 liter of water, you'll need 10 to 15 chestnuts. However, I will use less water to create a concentrate that can be diluted later. First, bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After that, allow it to cool down. Once it's cool, try to remove the skins from the chestnuts. If that's not possible, chopping them into small pieces will suffice. Some chestnuts may have mold, and I might end up discarding quite a few. Be cautious when cleaning them, especially if you're using a knife. A pointed peeling knife is recommended. Cut the chestnuts into smaller pieces and blend them using a mixer or hand blender. You can also let the mixture sit in the fridge for a day, then strain the water. The leftover chestnut pieces can be reused at least once more by adding more water and straining again. You can either bottle the mixture right away or later. It's advised to use it within 2 weeks, and I store most of it in the fridge. If you don't plan to use it at all quickly, consider freezing some. I hope you found this video enjoyable. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.